Hello and welcome to Punamek. Today I got a new jack and some accessories to AXN, some blocks and that. So today we're gonna unbox this and try it out and change on tires on a car. So let's see what we got here. Oh, a handle with a quick connect. That's nice. A manual, don't need that. Oh, it's a heavy motherfucker. Hmm. Very easy to put together. Quick connection for everything. Well, let's try it out. Let's try it out. Seems to work fine. You will always start to thread by hand so you don't cross thread. Let's see if we can ease her down.